welcome back to Membership Monday. I'm so excited to be here to introduce another one of our wonderful members today. I am here with Heather Alexander from Alexander Insurance Associates, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Thank you so much for doing this interview with me today.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, and we're in a wonderful spot in downtown Conway with some great decorations. If you haven't been to Conway to see them yet, please do so. Lots of visitors and residents that are enjoying it so very much. And I know that when we were talking a few minutes ago, you were saying how much you love Halloween, right?
Yes. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays of the year. It's so festive because it incorporates fall and the families and the kids getting dressed up and just coming out into the community and doing community events. And it's a little bit cooler, so that's always a plus. We got less humidity. So, yes, I love fall and I love Halloween.
Heather, do you mind telling everybody who's listening and watching about what your business does and what you offer to the community?
Yeah, absolutely. So at Alexander Insurance Associates, we like to customize our care to meet your needs. So we do everything health insurance. So whether it's an individual that's needing maybe ACA or help with their Medicare options, a small business that's looking for group options, we kind of do a little bit of everything.
Okay.
And then we also add in the supplemental realm with things like Aflac. So we kind of have a full portfolio that we can cater to everybody's needs.
Right. Well, that's awesome because there's a lot of different people in Conway and in the community that surrounds Conway as well. So having a diverse group, it's important to make sure you have everything that you can have to fulfill those needs that they have. So when it comes to serving the community, can you tell us about where you're located and how they can get in touch with you?
Yeah. So I'm a little bit different than any other traditional kind of healthcare company per se or insurance company per se. I don't have a primary location.
All right.
I like to, like I said, I like to cater my needs to individuals' needs.
Right.
So, whether we meet at a coffee shop or I meet at a client's house or I come to a local business owner and meet with the business, maybe their partners or their HR department.
Right.
I like to cater myself to fit my client's needs. So I'm very flexible when it comes to that. I do have an office that I could use if that were to be the case, but I like to bring myself to them just to kind of put them at ease and they're comfortable in their own environment, which makes it easier for me because I'm going to ask some difficult questions. I'm not going to lie. So, I want it just to be a good environment, and I let the client dictate what that's going to be.
Well, that's wonderful. Thank you for doing that. So, Heather, you were talking about how you serve the different communities. You serve Horry and Georgetown counties. So there's a lot of different people, obviously, within these counties. That's a lot of people to have to reach.
A lot of people.
I wanted to ask, what's it like serving the community of Conway and the surrounding communities?
I love serving Conway. We have such a great, diverse bunch here.
Yes.
And to be honest with you, there are people that I met at in closer to Georgetown County that when they find out I'm in Conway, they're like, oh no, we're going to come up there. And we'll just pick a local spot right here in downtown Conway to meet. Because everybody loves to come to Conway.
Yes, of course.
Absolutely.
I mean, look at the ghost behind us and all this fun stuff. I mean, it's loud over here with this bridge, but we decided to film here anyways because we love Halloween and love Conway so much. Yes. So that makes perfect sense.
Yes. And also, serving such a wide group of people helps me to expand myself and just kind of get out there and learn what other communities are doing and what's going on in other communities so I can be more effective in being that positive light in our community. And which is the ultimate goal is, to help others and to serve others. And that's what we're here for. That's what we stand for.
That's awesome. You're ready to cry. I love that. Heather, go ahead and tell everybody how they can get in contact with you if they need your services.
Yeah, absolutely. You can check me out on my Facebook page, Alexander Insurance Associates. Also my website, alexanderinsuranceassociates.com. There is a contact card you can fill out. You can private message me, fill out the form. It comes directly to me, to my inbox, and I will reach out to you and we can set something up.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned some wonderful things. And if you need insurance help, definitely contact Alexander Insurance Associates. Thank you, Heather.
Thank you.
Bye.